Hello class and welcome back to Idachina. So today I am again here with a new topic in JavaScript and we will see weak map and weak set in this tutorial, and those who have not seen the last video they can watch it on my channel. The last tutorial on JavaScript was map data structure, so watch it. You can get slight knowledge on map data structure and then it will be easy to understand the difference between map and weak map. So let's start the tutorial. तो शुरू करते हैं आज का टॉपिक. So let us go through some theory portion, and after that we will do programming related with weak map and weak set. So a weak map is a data structure in JavaScript that is similar to a regular map but with few key differences. So what are those key differences? First one is key type. The keys in a weak map must be objects. Okay, so the first important condition is keys in weak map must be object. It cannot be primitive values like strings, numbers or boolean. Okay, so this is the main difference between regular map and a weak map. Then next is garbage collection. So the main advantage of a weak map is that it doesn't prevent the garbage collector from collecting the key object even if they are still in the weak map. This is because the references held by the weak map are weak and don't prevent the garbage collector from reclaiming the memory used by the key object. Okay, so क्या कह रहा, वीक मैप जो है वो गार्बेज कलेक्टर को रोकता नहीं है, ओके, फ्रॉम कलेक्टिंग द की ऑब्जेक्ट. सपोज आपने वीक मैप ऑब्जेक्ट का रेफरेंस अगर डिलीट कर दिया है या नल कर दिया है, ओके, देन जो भी कीज होंगी वीक मैप की वो सब मेमोरी को रिलीज कर देंगी. ओके, सो जो भी मेमोरी की ऑब्जेक्ट ने होल्ड करी होगी वो सब गार्बेज कलेक्टर के थ्रू रिलीज हो जाएंगी. एंड द लास्ट इज नो enumeration, which means you cannot iterate over the keys and values in a weak map and there is no way to get the size of a weak map. ओके, सो हम अगर वीक मैप का यूज़ कर रहे हैं देन उसके ऊपर इटरेशन का यूज़ नहीं कर सकते हैं, लाइक फॉर लूप एंड डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ लूप्स जो हैं वो हम उस पर अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते. सो दिस इज द थ्योरी पोर्शन ऑफ वीक मैप एंड नाउ वी विल सी द प्रोग्रामिंग. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट इज वीक मैप डज नॉट सपोर्ट इटरेशन एज वी हैव सीन इन द प्रीवियस थ्योरी एंड मेथड्स like keys, values, entries. So there's no way to get all keys or values from it. Okay, and weak map has only following method: weak map dot set key comma value, weak map dot get key, weak map dot delete key, and weak map dot add key. So we will see this with the help of program. Okay, so now we will write our program on weak map. Okay, so let us comment here, create a weak map. So let us see how we create a weak map. Cons my weak map, okay, equals new weak map. So हम क्या करेंगे, एक वेरिएबल लेंगे और यू कैन से अ रेफरेंस टू आवर वीक मैप जिसका नाम हम लोगों ने क्या रखा, माई वीक मैप. ओके, इसका डेटा टाइप क्या है, कॉन्स. देन इक्वल न्यू ऑपरेटर का यूज करेंगे एंड वी विल राइट वीक मैप वेयर W इज कैपिटल एंड M इज capital, then brace open and close and last में semicolon. So this is how we create a weak map. Okay, now in the next line we will create an object. So let us comment here, store an object as a key in weak map. Alright, because जो हमारा weak map होता है वो object को ही as a key store करता है. So we are going to create an object. Okay, so let us create. So let my object equals curly brace open name then colon, add in single quotes, write some name here, suppose Idachina. So this is how we create an object. Okay, so हम लोगों ने एक object create कर लिया where name is the key and its value is Idachina. Now we will use this my object as a key for our weak map. So let us see that. So in the next line we will set this my object as a key. Okay, so my weak map dot set and inside it we will set my object. So this is the key now for my weak map. Okay, and with the help of set method we are setting the key for my weak map and some value here in single quote. So we can write value 1. Okay, now this whole is key value pair, just like in object this is key value pair, same way this is key and value for my weak map. Now let us output it on the console. So console.log my weak map dot. So we use get method of my weak map to access the values of the weak map. So get, and inside it we pass our key which is my object here. Okay, now if we run this, here is the output. We are getting the value of our key my object. Okay, now if we remove the reference to our object, okay, which is my object here, So if we do this, my object equal null, like this. So what is this? We are removing reference of my object as null. Okay, and if we again print this line number 8, so copy it and paste it here on line 11 and run it. So you get undefined, okay, which means as soon as the object here, which is my object, reference is removed, it will automatically will be garbage collected. Okay, now weak maps are garbage collected. So what does it mean? It means the object has no reference with the weak map, then it will automatically will be removed from the memory. Okay, so here our object, which is my object here, was referenced as a key in the weak map. Okay, but it is made null. It is not referring to any weak map, and so it is garbage collected. And when it is garbage collected, then it is removed from the memory. And when it is removed from the memory, then we are getting the output as undefined here. Okay, so this is the benefit of weak map, and we can use it for storing temporary data. Now the next is weak set in JavaScript. So what is weak set? It is a collection of objects. Okay, similar to set, but with a few key differences. So what are those key differences? Weak set only accepts objects, okay, and they are weakly held. Weakly held means they can be garbage collected if there is no other reference to them. Okay, just like weak map, they are also garbage collected if it has no reference. Same way in weak set also objects are garbage collected if they have no reference to them. Okay, and like set, it supports add, has, and delete methods, but not size, keys, and there is no iteration. Okay, so we will see all this with the help of program now for better understanding. So now let us create a weak set. Okay, so comment create a weak set. Okay, so const my weak set equals new weak set. So this is same like creating a weak map. We have created weak map in the same way. Okay, const then reference of our weak set equal, then using new keyword we create weak set. Okay, here W will be capital and S will be capital. Now we will add the objects here because it is a collection of objects. So comment here add object. So let us create the object. So const obj1 equal object1 and const obj2 equals object2. So right now they are empty object. So let us store some key and value here. So name colon either name colon tutorial. Okay, so we have created two objects and now we will add in our weak set. So use add method. So my weak set dot add obj1. Okay, like this we will add our object, copy paste it and rename it object2. So we have added our two objects in our weak set. Now let us check if the objects are present in the weak set or not. So console.log, and now we will use as method to check if the objects are in the weak set or not. My weak set, okay, dot add. So we are using has method for checking whether the object is present in the weak set or not. Okay, so has obj1, copy paste it and change it to object2. Okay, so this is the use of has method. It checks whether the following object is present in your weak set or not. Okay, so if we run this, the output is true and true. It means object1 and object2 are in our weak set. They are added in our weak set. Okay, now if you have to remove object, so comment here remove the object. So what we use delete for it. So my weak set dot delete and inside it obj1. Okay, and console.log my weak set. Same as method का यूज करेंगे for checking whether object1 is present or not. Okay, so dot add obj1 and semicolon. So अगर ये present होगा then true output देगा, otherwise false. So run it. So here is the output which is false because object1 is deleted now. Okay, so this is how we use add method, has method and delete method. Okay, in weak set.